एफएससी के बाद सबसे बड़ा हर्डल मेडिकल कॉलेज में दाखिले का है और उसके लिए जो मेन जो हर्डल क्रॉस करना होता है वो है एंट्री टेस्ट का। तो उसकी प्रिपरेशन का यहाँ पे ओवरसीज़ में कोई ख़ास इंतज़ाम नहीं होता। आपके पास जो बुक्स होती हैं, दीज आर दी ओनली रिसोर्सेज फॉर माई एल्डर डॉटर। इट वाज द टाइम before COVID 2019. Anyhow, someone told us about the top grade. We use it and we knock it. और मेरी जो बड़ी बेटी है, she was able to get admission in Army Medical College. और उसके बाद second daughter है, उसके लिए भी हमने same process. We repeated the same. We use the top grade as our only resource other than the books available. Then we have done the same for my third daughter, who was admitted last year in Lahore Medical and Dental College, a private medical college in Lahore. I am really very thankful for TopGrade and all the team during all this journey for my 3 kids for admission in medical college. And frankly speaking, the system here in Saudi Arabia is that the school is supporting you up to the FSC exam. And after FSC, all your preparation, this is your personal effort. Whatever you want to do, you do. And our main resource for all my 3 kids was the only TopGrade. And I'm very thankful to TopGrade and all their staff. And I recommend that TopGrade will continue to serve the community. And I find it very comprehensive and one-stop solution, especially for overseas. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.
हजारों स्टूडेंट्स फिजिकल एकेडमीज को क्विट करके टॉप ग्रेड ऑनलाइन एकेडमी को ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं क्योंकि अब आपकी उस्ताद है टॉप ग्रेड।